So let's take a look at how to append values in Excel file using Python's Openpyxl module. So first thing, make sure to install that module with pip install Openpyxl. Okay, once you install that, you are ready to execute the code explained in the video. Okay, so first thing, from Openpyxl import workbook. Then let's create our workbook here. So first thing, we have to call for workbook constructor, and after that we are also going to be needing to create a worksheet. So for that we create variable sheet and then use book dot active. Okay, so that should create one working book. Okay, now next thing is creating rows to append to our worksheet. So let's add some data. So inside this I'm going to use 1 2 3, then I'm going to use comma, and okay, so let's just go ahead with 2 3 4, okay, and 4 5 6. Okay, now here you may notice that this could create some issues with, let's say, this tab. So during the running of the code we will take care of any error that may occur. Okay, so next thing after this is simply using row in rows in for loop, and let's just append within our sheet. So you can use sheet dot append. Okay, so here we have to just use row. Okay, so it will add the data one after another. Okay, and finally you can use book dot save, and here you can use Devnami demo 02 XLSX. Okay, so that should save your data as well. Okay, now to check whether our data is properly appended, we can open command prompt, type in Python demo.py, and after execution it should show us our sheet created on our system. Okay, so I'm going to check whether this properly tab delimited space here is working and I'm not causing any form of error. So let's execute and find out. Okay, so there are no errors and it created one Excel file that we have to check. Okay, so let's go to this here, and I have my file created. Okay, so 02 with all the data expected properly added within the cells. Okay, so you get the idea of how to append values into your Excel file using Python's Openpyxl module.